GoodSync review. My honest experience with this file sync and backup tool. Is it worth it? Backing up files can be a headache, but GoodSync promises easy and reliable file sync and backup. I tested it, and here's my honest experience. Most people get this wrong by thinking free tools are enough, but the surprising truth is GoodSync offers robust features for both individuals and businesses. It supports automatic syncing across multiple devices, cloud storage, and network servers, ensuring your data is always safe. Setting up GoodSync was simple. After installing, I selected folders to sync and chose my backup destination, whether cloud storage like Google Drive or a local drive. The interface is clean and straightforward, making even advanced features like real-time sync and versioning easy to use. During testing, I accidentally deleted a few files. GoodSync's versioning feature allowed me to restore previous versions quickly, saving hours of frustration. Automated scheduling meant backups happened in the background, without manual intervention. The downside? Pricing can be higher than basic backup tools, especially for multiple devices or business use. Some users may find the initial setup slightly technical if they have complex network configurations. In conclusion, GoodSync is a reliable, flexible solution for file backup and synchronization. Its automation, cloud support, and versioning make it ideal for anyone serious about protecting data. For personal users or businesses looking for peace of mind, GoodSync is definitely worth considering.